Hey guys, welcome back to Hysaw channel. There goes my sister in the background, as you guys can see. Um, so my room is a little dirty right now, but because we just got back from a trip. But somebody asked me a few days ago, what does my stream setup look like? Um, I haven't had a lot of time to get things together and stuff like that, but until then, I can show you guys what it looks like. And stuff like that. Make sure that that's clear. What things might look like if I was to go on a live stream inside my room. So here you guys go. Um, First I got my time signature time thing. Shows the date, the day, how hot it is outside, what the time is. I could change the settings to a live piece to make that sorry, I can change the settings of that so that way it can show me when I'm live, when I'm not live, to connect it to my setup. My setup is a little basic for right now until next 2 weeks from now when I get my stuff from Best Buy. I'm a little, basic for right now. This, and then that's it. Yeah. Until then, that's all I'll be able to do until I get my stuff done. And yeah. So just showing you guys what this looks like and stuff like that. Yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys around. Bye.